On March 18, 2022, an incident at Target drew attention when police were called to address a mother and daughter accused of attempting to steal over $1,500 worth of merchandise, including camping gear. The 22-year-old daughter was apprehended at the scene, while the mother denied any involvement. However, surveillance footage revealed that both participated in selecting and placing items into the cart.
I don't access protection security.
Okay.
So I have, she's not mom, she's a child. The mother is right here on the other side of the team.
Okay.
The plaid shirt. But the total cart amount that was pledged out is just over $1,500.
So did mom have anything?
So mom was not with her. We only apprehended Kelsey is her name, the child, because she was one push. How old is she? 22? She was born in 2000.
Oh, so she's an adult.
She's an, yeah.
Okay.
Mom's right here, so I'm not sure if you guys have anything about that.
Okay. So was mom and her shopping together?
Yeah, they were both together. But the daughter was the one pushing the carts when they exited the store, so we only took that.
Okay. Does she know what's going on?
I came out here to try and talk to her, and then I saw you guys back here.
Okay. 301. Can I get another car? Sounds like we might have two. How you doing, ma'am?
Good, you?
Good. What's going on today? So no one was trying to take a cart outside but that
My stepdaughter
your
was.
stepdaughter? Okay. You had nothing to do with that?
No.
Okay. Okay. Well, hang tight here for a second. I'm gonna go talk to her. Okay. Do you want to press charge for? Okay.
It's like
Okay.
15 minutes.
No, I know. I gotta ask that just so it's on record.
Yeah. This is all the stuff. There was only one car, so this is...
Okay.
And one last thing from me. This is a statement. Basically says you're not allowed in this Target for a year.
Did she make it out of the store?
Yeah, she made it all past all points of sale. So like right in that vestibule area, that's
Okay.
exactly where we stopped her at.
Okay. Okay. What's your name?
The incident raises significant questions about personal responsibility, particularly as the mother denied her role in her daughter's actions despite evidence of her involvement. It serves as a clear reminder that every individual must take responsibility for their actions, regardless of familial relationships, and denying the truth only erodes public trust.
Now, what is your role in this?
I am her stepdaughter, and I was just giving her rides today. She's been homeless for like a year and a half, and I thought she had the money to pay for it.
Okay. Now, did you tell her to leave with the stuff without paying? Or,
No.
So at what point did you see her leaving without it? Or were you trying to leave too?
No, I was on my way out, and she was still back there shopping. I didn't even know that she was right behind me.
Okay. So like tell me where you were when you were on the way out and where she was when
I
you
was
found her.
almost outside, and then
Okay.
I just heard a ruckus and turned around, and they were there.
Okay.
And that guy was there. I thought she was taken.
All right, Judy, hey, you're free to go at this time.
I apologize that she did that.
You might receive a call from a detective later on if they need more information about what happened. Yeah, but anyway, you're free to go.
Okay.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Did that officer get your statement and everything?
Where was she at during this? So she knowingly knew. What? What was going on? Okay. So is she in the same situation as you? Or, okay.
They're about to leave early,
So
so
she-
I have to figure out.
So she knew what was going on the whole time you were doing this. Okay. All right, Kelsey. Yeah, before we leave. You don't have any weapons or anything on you, do you? What?
I do.
Okay, you don't have any drugs or anything that could get you jammed up. Double lock these so they don't tighten on you, okay?
The act of theft not only breaks the law, but also undermines moral values and familial bonds. In this case, the lack of accountability from the mother and the wrongful behavior of the daughter have sparked public outrage, highlighting the importance of ethics and respect for the law in society.
What's going?
What's the name? Lock the door real quick so it's gonna get you out of the rain. Side here. Put your head. Oops, there. I'm gonna try and get the heat going. Said you have a warrant with us. Driving while suspended. If you have a lawyer, talk to a lawyer. Talk to him about that. Because I have no idea. It just showed up in our system here.
Officially, I guess. Yeah, I mean, I got his numbers and everything.
Okay.
He was participating in putting stuff in. I'm not sure.
She was participating.
She put merchandise in the cart, and then the only reason we apprehended Kelsey was because she was the one with the merchandise when they passed that final point of sale. So
Okay.
she didn't have merchandise when she exited, that's correct, but she was actively participating in putting stuff in.
I'll put that in the report.
And I'll be able to provide video once I get it all pulled. So whenever I have the case number already, I'll be able to get all that stuff out.
Okay. Granted, you're saying the girl that was pushing this to let you pull over, she was like trying to leave though.
Yeah, the amount was paid for, and she had a card.
She was out of the checkout stand.
Yeah, she was
that. Yeah, I don't have enough to place the other woman under arrest. But, so she's up. That's her Judy up front. Okay.
Judy was up front. They made their way through this, bypassing all of the check lanes. She was maybe 8 feet in front of her, but because she had the unpaid merchandise, that's where she stopped.
Okay.
And I did try asking Kelsey. I said, "Did your stepmom put you up to this? Was she like trying to coerce you to do this?" And it was a no.
Okay. I was thinking she was way farther ahead.
No, it was just maybe 10 feet, if that.
And that's how she walked through in front of her the whole store.
Yeah. Well, while they were shopping and putting stuff in hers.
Okay. I don't know. I'm sure she's long gone at this point, but
She's the one who selected like the tax.
The expensive, more expensive stuff.
so she's selected. You got her on film putting that stuff in.
In the cart, yeah. That's what I said. I'll be able to provide all.
I'm gonna get back with you.
Surveillance footage played a critical role in clarifying the case, demonstrating how technology can safeguard justice. This underscores the importance of transparency and honesty in all situations.
Description from security, it sounded like stepmom was way past her, but I think they're probably doing this together, to be honest with you. I don't know. I'll just, I cut her loose already. I didn't think she would have anything charges on her, but then they just showed me that video, and I don't know, that might tell another story. So,
Okay. Yeah.
I'll put the mom statements in there, and I'll watch that stuff too, and I don't know, maybe there'll be charges on the mom later on too, so.
Okay. All right. Yeah, she also has a warrant, so. Yeah.
Okay, I can just check what time. 3:24, I'll say, because that's some fun.
Okay, and what time did you guys stop her?
At
Approximately
3:57.
3:57. Okay. Stepmom kind of pushing the cart. What if I put this right here?
You're good. Right? Yeah, you're good. And she's already put she's already put the girl and 2 of the 10.
In that line, what she did?
Yep, just London.
Can you rewind that? So this is
There's one of them, and then the daughter, I believe, puts the girl in. Oh, she put the girl in.
Did you guys get an itemized receipt of this yet? Or?
Yeah, we get like a suspense that just gives the totals, but in the report we can make sure we list everything. Would that work for you, or?
You got a suspended receipt, you said?
Yeah, we gave it to the other officer.
Oh, you did? Okay,
Yeah,
that's all we need then.
Yeah, that just has the total. And then, like in our report, we can make sure we list it, or even we can do an itemized receipt and we send you the report.
Okay. See, I know some places they can. When they print that receipt, it'll have like all the items on it. Are you guys able to do that?
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, let's do that.
I got you.
That'd be the best bet. So we know exactly. Yeah, I just start put that thing in on the bottom. All right, I think that would be good for that. I mean, we always see mom putting that in there. Investigators can look into it later, watch the whole thing.
There are other things I think may or may not be on camera, but there is other things where she is the one putting stuff in the car.
Okay.
Your partner's out in the
Yeah, he's got his squad car out there. You've seen this young lady put stuff in there too, right?
Yeah.
No, there she is right there.
That's a $100, $200 air mattress, and then over here is when she is just shoving books and movies into these reusable bags. At one point, she switches her top.
So, at this point, can you just get to the cameras that show them leaving?
Yes.
The key takeaway from this case is the importance of respecting the law and protecting one's dignity. Theft, whether driven by circumstances or intent, carries severe consequences both legally and reputationally. Additionally, it reminds us of the value of integrity and the need to take full responsibility for our actions.
See, she was claiming that she thought her daughter was going to check out.
And she had already walked kind of out and then back to her daughter and then walked out again together.
This was before this happened?
Mm-hmm. They had split off, not necessarily split off, but Judy had walked towards the door and then walked back to Kelsey and then they walked out together.
Can you show me the video that you're talking about when she walked out and then came back?
And she goes off and on while Kelsey stays.
With Kelsey over there in the back.
She stays back. And I believe it was on HBA if Max had bookmarked it. But at this point in time, Judy had gone out.
Okay.
I don't know if she was completely out of the store.
She was still in dollar spot.
In dollar spot?
That's me right there in the theater section watching her.
Okay.
So she was up in Bullseye and Dollar Spot.
So this girl was?
No.
No,
the
mom.
Judy.
Okay.
And then so she was over where they walked out at, all the little fixtures. And then she wanders back to Flowers and then back to the daughter. And then they go out together.
If she was here right now, I think she'd be on the jail too. That's
why as soon as you came in, we were like, because when they were on the floor, she was taking clothes, taking off fingers, shoving them in the bag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, I'm gonna grab all your information. I think we'll talk to my partner, but I'm thinking I'm at least gonna do a warrant with her if I can't get her to come back here and put her under arrest.
Okay.
Because they're working together. It's obvious. I mean, the mom's looking out, seeing if it's good for her to run out or whatever. But
Yeah, like I said, I'd talk to whoever your lawyer is and ask him about it. Yeah, she's probably fine.
All right, get close up for me.
Name's Kelsey.
We're gonna go to
What's that? Yes, she has a bag. That's all she had. Very good. Good.
On December 7, 2021, a group of suspects, including 2 women and 1 man, committed a theft at Target, stealing merchandise valued at over $5,000. When discovered, the man fled in a vehicle, while one of the female suspects attempted to disguise herself by changing shirts, but failed to evade the watchful eyes of store surveillance staff.
I got a receipt. You have a receipt? Let me see it.
I have it right here.
Traffic 21 got one running. Brown shoes, gray pants, blue t-shirt towards Abercorn. Just ran across Abercorn, over by Murphy's.
Give me a description here.
Brown boots, gray pants, blue t-shirt at Murphy's. Over by Verizon. Running back towards Target. Zip 4 towards Target. Give it up!
He just ran up the hill into the Target parking lot. See him? Where's he at?
Just jumped into a gray sedan.
Alright, we're in. I'm coming in the Target parking lot.
Charlie, Quebec, Romeo 7472. Coming out near Bank of America.
All right, it's going to be a Volvo sedan, 2-door, driven by a black male. He's going out the, he went out the side over there. I believe he headed back towards Abercorn.
The group's theft not only violated the law, but also had a serious impact on moral values and the sense of responsibility in society. One suspect's deliberate act of disguising herself to conceal her wrongdoing further highlighted a lack of respect for the law.
Hey, you got ID on you?
My name is Trayvon.
Let's walk back up here.
Oh, what? I ain't did nothing. What you gotta get your hands off of me?
You're a known shoplifter.
Oh.
Give me your hand.
Don't got nothing wrong with you. Don't get it.
Give me your hand.
Don't drop my phone.
Stop.
So you 2004 Volvo S 80 green in color.
It's going to be very light. It's not going to be a dark green. It's going to be a very light.
Have a seat on the bench over there.
Hey, we know that.
You got a copy of that?
have what?
Property. The property. The cart full of stuff.
Oh, yes, right now. It's definitely, I have to guess it's, but I don't know. I can't remember like that.
You have ID?
You got away.
Yeah, he ran across the Abercorn and came back, jumped in the car. What's your last name? Okay, so you'll just sit in jail until you are identified.
Okay.
So you'll be booked under Jane Doe.
Okay.
You still want to see it then?
Yes.
Okay.
Traffic 41 to 41 Alpha 2. Yeah, go ahead. Whenever you're available, I need you inside loss prevention.
I'm heading that way now. Give me just a minute. You can wait if you want to add this car.
Simple, bring your rules away. Just so you know, you're refusing to provide your information is another charge. It's called obstruction by hindering.
That's called what?
Obstruction by hindering.
And what is that?
It's you not providing me with your information that you are required by law to provide.
Just take me to jail.
What's your last name?
Simmons.
Simmons? Spell that.
You can't spell Simmons?
How do you spell it?
Simmons, how to spell everywhere else.
Is it 1 M, 2 M's?
2 M's.
20 M's?
20 M's.
First name.
This incident serves as a reminder of the importance of respecting the law and upholding personal moral values. It is also a warning that every wrongful act carries significant consequences, both legally and in terms of personal reputation. Abandon harmful thoughts the moment they begin to form.
Is the address that is associated with your driver's license a valid address?
I don't have a driver's license.
You've never been issued one by the state of Georgia?
No,
Or any
don't
state?
drive.
She's about to get charged.
Start handing me stuff.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Hey, y'all ain't charge me with that. I ain't walk out with no buggy.
No.
Oh, look, shoplifting. That was why she didn't want to give me her information.
I got her social and all that stuff here too. If you need it.
Oh, and by the way, you do have a state issue driver's license, or at least you did at one point.
You want her social for your passport?
I'm in her.
You want it right in your notebook?
It should be attached to the warrant.
It should be. I've got it here.
It was 874.
874.
Yes.
Felony possession.
Some other girls probably.
I'm gonna go ahead and search you.
That's the same one.
No, there's two different
You don't
charges.
have any weapons, something like that.
Check and see if that orange shirt has any tags on it or anything.
This shirt was in my pocket.
It was in your pocket.
This ran all the way to Murphy's.
I know because I was on the other side waiting for him.
Literally just like this. And
I'm about to go to jail. I'll find you when I get there. You're in Target and there's thing you want to speak about. Ain't gonna take
She
you
left me
long.
on the phone.
Alright, I'll call you when I get there.
We'll go ahead and submit that as evidence.
I'll submit my phone as evidence. Instead of
You're
my
coordinating conspiracy of a crime
Do what?
through your cell phone. I believe your cell phone has information regarding the people.
Thank you for watching the video. If you found the content helpful, don't forget to share and leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback and look forward to hearing your thoughts to improve our future content.